As the clock ticked and talked, later sooner. The clock went to 5 hours until one day Iselina got to go to school almost in 5 hours. One day she was late. Ow! Oh my OMG, I'm gonna be... My bad. I shouldn't have left school in 5 hours. Ah! What in the world is going on with me? I just went here this morning. Oh, yeah. Well, I'm proving my teacher. We're just doing this. It's not a trailer or anything. I know you all like the trailers. And since I put that comment on there, thank you so much for watching part 1 more than the other. Until I got to school, 3 people were at detention. That was me, Castellina with her brother. He gets like detention. People get detention when they don't go to school, and people don't get detention and after school week. Sorry. But you can't touch these books. I said don't touch these books. Now sit down. Okay. Gosh. Okay, what are we supposed to be doing? Quiet! Gosh. I said what we're supposed to be doing. I said quiet. Silence. Don't make me come up there. What are you looking at? Now, fine, I got my pet collar so I can call the principal at once. Okay, I'm going to count to 3, and I want to see if everybody's sitting down. I'm about to call somebody's number if they're not sitting down. 1. I'm not sitting down because I'm older than you. I don't care. Sit down. Hey, gosh. I'm calling it anyway. Beep, boop, 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 beep, bop, beep, bop. Hello? Yes, principal. Let me just get... Hello? Hello? Yep. I got a student in trouble that won't follow directions. What? It's just 5 hours? And that means I get to go away from school? But on the weekend and the other weekend, we always go to school every single day so I can see if people are paying attention. Okay. sit down right now. Okay, so she said that you're going to go to her office because she didn't have any people in there. Let me just go get her. Hello? Let's get over here right now. After Principal Monkey came here, I'm watching you all. Well, I have a weekend, and she's taking my place for today. Hey, you don't hiss at me. Moo! Hey, you don't moo at me. Hello, I'm starting to say, hey, you can't point to me. Okay, little kitty. Do you have to go to the office with me? We gonna later on. We want to go home. We want to do summer weekend. We want to do the summer weekend. Yeah. Breathe it on, dude. Breathe it on. All of you come to my office. After they came to the office. Oh, what in the world? She knocked over some stuff. What happened over here? You broke one of your subs so you won't have to call? I'm calling 911. Never mind. 911. 911. 911. Hello? Yep. I need you to arrest this person. Okay. So how are you going to do that? It's just a little bit of time, sir. So I'm going to show you what's going on. Did somebody messed up your room? Yep. Well, then call us and we'll fix it. After 911 fixed every single part of the greatest vase ever. I'm telling you, but she did not just knock down something. She did it. What? Did you go what? Okay. She jumped up there. No. That she went on the table and then she jumped up there. So I made a really big mistake, or did she do it on purpose? Nine minutes later, let's get in the car because I don't like this place. Yep, then we had to have a detention every day we do something. Hey guys, yep, well this baby doesn't have 2 seats. It has 4 seats. I know. Stop. Jesus Christ, I know. Let's see. 2 else wants to get in this car. There's only 2 seats left. I said I'm sitting in the back, you all. So mean. I'm driving already. If you won't give me summer weekend off, I will turn into a big bad tiger. If you won't give me a summer week off, I'll turn myself into a tiger, and then you all die. Okay. I promise. Yes, we want to go pick up some Burger King. Yep. Oh, yeah. You would like some burgers? Not a large french fry, but only if you have one of them, I will buy some. Give me a rotten rat for me. Absolutely not give me a chicken bone again, because I don't eat chicken. She said give her a rotten mouse. And I would like a carrot cake. Excuse me, but we don't have any carrot cakes. But you can buy a rotten mouse. Gross. You can buy a pumpkin. I ordered that too. But you can give me a big 100% fat milkshake, okay? I can't believe they made me work at this place. Let's see. Come on, are you gonna give us something or what? Are you just gonna stand there and do something? What am I gonna do? I've been hired for this job, and then I do not want to work at this job, but they made me use it anyways. Oh no. I feel like I could throw up for this. Okay, here are your orders. It smells dirty in here. Did you said rotten mouse? Yes, I did. Because I like rotten stuff. I wish we would have had to watch a Rotten Potato movie. After they got home, I'm going. Why do you always have to eat everything we order at Burger King? I like Burger King, but I also hate it.